were so many drama-filled and spectacular moments at the National Junior and Senior Track and Field Championships, aka the National Trials at the National Stadium over the weekend. The biggest of them all, though, must be Kishane Thompson dropping that impressive world lead personal best of 9.75 in the 100 meters final. This represents steady progression by Kishane Thompson in what is still the marquee event of the sport. And with Kishane dashing down the gauntlet and our lives missing in action and everybody else running 10 flat and 9.9s, Kishane Thompson must now be the firm favorite to win that prestigious World Championship 100 meters title. And although the championships are still a few months away, with this kind of form and super execution, he will have to learn to cope with this added pressure of going into the World Championships as the favorite. Now this is where the Maverick exits.